Hey, I'm Katie with WTI. When it comes to nail care, I am not the expert, but I am an expert at losing nail clippers. Enough was enough, and I decided to get this adorable nail clipper set by ZIZZON. I love this rose gold. It is so cute. It looks like a little wallet, but it is actually a complete nail care set. This has more than I knew what to do with. I actually had to go into the listing just to be sure of what everything actually was and what it did, because I am very basic when it comes to doing my nails. But I have been having so much fun playing around with these different tools, trying out different things on my nails. And I love that I've had this set for over a month and it has done its job so well because I haven't lost a single piece. This set comes with 3 different styles of nail clippers for your fingers, toes, and then a really cool diagonal nail clipper that came in perfect for trimming a hangnail that I had. I was so excited and wondered why I have never had a diagonal nail clipper before in my life. I love that I can conveniently fit these in a drawer and it doesn't leave things scattered about. And it also easily fits inside even the smallest of purses. This is basically the same size as my cell phone and it holds so much. It's a great looking case. All of the accessories work really well and I'm really happy that I have it in my life. I think you'd be happy to have it too. That's just my point of view.